This is a good place to stay. I'm bored. I'm a jobless deadbeat. Ooh, I know. I'll get a job. Yeah. As a therapist. Cool. I surely will do it. Ooh, there's Mr. Longarms. And it says, for hire. I'll do it. I will do it. Let's go. Oh, there he is. Hello there, Mr. What's your name? Mr. Elephant. Philippine Elephant. Okay. So, what are you doing here? I would love to apply for the job. Okay. We do need people for hire, so guess what? I have good news. You got the job. Really? That's cool. Alright. Now, this is when you're being a therapist to people. And then, actually, you're not really a therapist. You're actually going to be more like an interviewer, if you know. Interviewer, yeah. When they have to sign papers about getting, stuff, getting their money. Oh, okay, I'm on the job. Yes, sir. Good boy. Now, I need you to go in the store and, interview that guy. Okay, I will. I think it's this way. Hup. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna be there. Yes! This is perfect. Yeah, buddy. Open for business. Oh, first customer! Hello there. I would love to pick up my cash. Really? You're gonna need your debit check. And as FYI for you, you're my first customer because it's the first day on the job. Okay, so I'll sign it. Okay, what's your name? My name, Bumblebee Queer. Bumblebee. Is there something funny? Oh, that is so funny. Wait, what's your real name? Bumblebee Queer. Your last name is Queer. Oh, that is funny. Okay, here's your cash check. Thank you, little bastard. Queer. His name's Queer.